We are pleased to show you the 2016 Grand Cherokee. The Jeep Grand Cherokee offers superior off-road capability comparable to that of the upscale Land Rover LR3. This makes the Grand Cherokee a fine choice for families who venture off-road or vacation in the mountains or other remote areas, and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, stability control, power steering, cruise control, trip computer, clock, child safety locks, power windows, fog lights, power brakes. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.